We are monetary metal masters, and this is where the silver narrative breaks. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Let's start with the hard data. In 2025, COMEX silver deliveries totaled 474 million ounces, more than double the year before. And crucially, this wasn't driven by one extreme event. Every single month in 2025 saw higher deliveries than the same month in 2024. That tells us something structural changed. Participants stopped using COMEX primarily as a hedging market and started using it to take physical metal. January 2026 made that unmistakable. January is a minor delivery month, yet almost 50 million ounces were demanded. That's not speculation, that's front-running. February escalated the situation even further. In just the first days of the month, nearly 100% of open interest stood for delivery. In a healthy futures market, only 5 to 10% of contracts ever result in delivery. Even a stressed market rarely exceeds 20%. At these levels, COMEX stops behaving like a futures exchange and starts behaving like a physical allocation mechanism. At the same time, registered silver inventories continue to fall. The math simply doesn't work if this behavior continues into March and May. Now layer in the physical world. Switzerland, the refining and vaulting hub of the global precious metals system, is reporting zero available silver. Not delayed supply, not tight supply, zero. Dealers can't source meaningful quantities of metal at any price, while the paper market still shows silver as cheap and abundant. That is the definition of a broken pricing mechanism. You can suppress paper prices. You cannot suppress physics. Zoom out and the timing makes sense. The tech bull market is rolling over. Liquidity is tightening. Capital is rotating out of growth narratives. Even geopolitical easing, like US-Iran talks, doesn't create supply or fix broken financial plumbing. When trust breaks, capital moves toward what is scarce, strategic, and real. This isn't hype. This is how paper markets fail and how repricing begins. Full breakdown, link in bio.